Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we are going to install a water meter and a wash basin. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand technical requirements for water meter installations, install a water meter in the domestic water supply, and install a wash basin. Let us collect the tools, equipment, and machinery required to do this. Pipe wrench 1, tap set 1, die set 1, ball peen hammer 1, cold chisel 1, spanner set 1, screwdriver 1, hacksaw 1, measuring tape 1, shovel 1, spade 1, crowbar 1, trowel 1, drilling machine 1, chisel 1, double-ended spanner 1, hammer 1, poker 1, spirit level 1, water tube level 1, plumb bob 1, water pump plier 1, straight edge 1, motor pan 1, pipe vise 1, saddle piece as required, gun metal ferrule as required, union as required, elbow PVC as required, gate valve as required, PVC pipe as required, water meter as required, rubber washer as required, thread seal material as required, solvent cement as required, GI pipe and fitting as required, wash basin with accessories as required, and white cement as required. Before we learn about installing, let us understand the technical requirements for water meter installations. Water meters must be fitted in the correct direction of flow and positioned to allow easy visibility for manual reading of the meter and for viewing the serial number. Ensuring that the length of the pipe accommodating the water meter is completely filled with water immediately upstream and downstream of the meter is essential for the proper functioning of the meter. Installing water meters in a protective box or enclosure can provide physical protection against potential damage. Water meters must be installed as close to the extraction point as possible. Let us learn to install a water meter in the domestic water supply. Fix a stopcock or gate valve on the inlet and outlet of the water meter location as it will help to control water flow. Close the stopcocks. Measure the length of the water meter and the distance between the two unions or connection points where the water meter is installed. Tighten the union to the pipes using a wrench. Hold the water meter in position between the two unions. Place the water meter according to the direction of flow and ensure that it is aligned with the arrow marks on the water meter. Place a soft leather or rubber washer on one side of the meter. Screw the nut onto the coupling. Repeat the same procedure for the other side. Tighten the coupling nut firmly with a spanner or an adjustable wrench. Open the outlet and inlet valve. Check the joints for leaks and ensure that the water meter is working. The water meter should be positioned along a horizontal pipe, where 10 times the pipe diameter upstream and 5 times the pipe diameter downstream should be free of flow disturbances. There should be no pipe bends, fittings, or valves within this distance. Let us look at installing a wash basin. Mark the position of the rag bolt so that it is 800 mm from the floor level. Drill the marked position for fixing the rag bolt. Fix the rag bolt at a suitable distance. Install a wall bracket to the wall as per the structural rough-in dimensions and ensure that the bracket is level. Now, focus on assembling the drain. For ease of drain installation, lay the bowl on its back. Assemble the remaining components as shown. Install the faucets and optional soap valves according to the manufacturer's instructions. The next step is to mount the bowl onto the bracket and wall. Ensure that the bowl is completely seated on the wall bracket and securely fastened to the wall at point A. Position the bowl above the wall bracket and press the back of the bowl firmly to seat the bowl flange into the wall bracket lip, making sure that the bowl is level. Secure the bowl to the wall anchors using fasteners per the structural rough-in requirement as stated by the installer. Next, we will fix the strainer and bottle trap or P-trap. The drain cap is leveled front and back. Be sure that the front is facing the user and that the top surface of the drain cap is sloped away from the user. Connect the inlet of the bottle trap to the basin and the outlet of the bottle trap to the drain line. Assemble the wash basin with the pillar tap, waste coupling, rubber plug and chain. Mount the wash basin on the rag bolt. Connect the supply line to the pillar tap with a flexible connector and connect the bottle trap. Connect the bottle trap to the floor trap or semicircular open drain. Finally, ensure that the wash basin has been properly fixed to the wall and test its functionality and check for leaks or blocks. In this video, we have learned to understand technical requirements for water meter installations, install a water meter in the domestic water supply, and install a wash basin. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.